How close can a road take you to a volcanic landmark? In Morro Bay, it runs right beside Morro Rock. Recorded on May 27, 2026, this route loops around the Morro Rock waterfront before returning toward the Embarcadero. The narrow road curves beside the enormous rock, revealing its rugged layers and dramatic scale against a clear blue sky. At the viewpoint, the drive pauses without changing location, allowing the calm bay and distant hills to fill the scene. Blue water glimmers below broad clouds, while the shoreline forms a peaceful frame for this unhurried moment beside Morro Rock. Across the bay stand the three inactive stacks of Morro Bay's former power plant, a familiar part of the local waterfront skyline. During the quiet stop, shifting light, moving clouds, and gentle ripples give the stationary view a calm rhythm of its own. The drive then resumes from the same viewpoint, circling the base of Morro Rock through the nearby waterfront parking area. Following the shoreline back toward town, the road opens to wider views of the bay and the three stacks ahead. The monumental rock, open water, and industrial towers create an unusual contrast that makes Morro Bay instantly recognizable. Closer to the Embarcadero, marina activity, parked cars, and waterfront businesses bring everyday harbor life into view. This self-contained journey connects a close-up drive beside Morro Rock, a peaceful sightseeing stop, and Morro Bay's lively waterfront. Thanks for traveling with us. See you on the next road.